Hi, I'm Zach.
And I'm Jesse.
And we're in the Ice Hotel.
We can't keep doing intros like this.
Yeah. Okay, so we just got on the plane. We're on our last leg of the trip up to the Ice Hotel in Kiruna, Sweden. You excited, Jesse?
I'm excited.
Why is it called an ice hotel? Is that because it's run by internal combustion engines? Because if so, I don't know where to go. I made it. This is just about as far north as I think I'll ever get in my whole life. Hey, that's where we're going. See outside. It's 8 o'clock in the morning on Friday, and I just realized that we have a dog sled to get to, so we gotta go have breakfast and get on our dog sled so we can go on a dog sled ride through this beautiful frozen tundra. Wanna come along? So we're gonna go dog sledding, and it looks like we need some boots for the job. Why don't we have these? So what do those boots feel like?
They feel like you're not wearing anything.
here with Natalie from the Ice Hotel, and she seems to know everything there is to know about the Ice Hotel. You gave us a tour last night, and I was really interested to hear a few things. So tell me about where you get the ice for the Ice Hotel.
We actually get it from the Torney River that's behind us right over here.
Oh, so right here.
Yeah.
So basically, about a month ago, you took out all the ice you need for next year's hotel. Is that right?
Yeah, correct.
And so you store it somewhere?
In our ice production, that's a couple of kilometers from here.
So you keep it cold all through the summer. And then when do you start building the new hotel?
In October, November, then we start, when it's minus degrees outside, of course.
You have the 365 hotel, which is all year round. And then you have the hotel that is slowly melting right now, actually.
Yeah, you can actually see it in the rooms that it's started to drip in the rooms.
So how much longer will you get out of those rooms? Is it only this month?
Well, we have sleeping guests until Sunday. It's completely gone somewhere in June.
And now once that regular ice hotel is gone, that art is gone forever.
Yeah.
And so then next year you'll bring in new artists? Or some old and some new artists?
Yeah, some new, some old. We want new artists as well because we want new ideas. But of course, we want also the old artists as well.
I was surprised to see that any guest who comes up here can do a tour of the hotel and see pretty much all the rooms from before people start sleeping in them that night. So how many rooms do you have with art in them?
With art in, we have 15 art suites this season. Then we also have deluxe suites that are basically an art suite but with a private bathroom as well.
Oh, and so that means that you can open the door and go into a warm bathroom right from your room.
Yeah, that's exactly.
Now explain to me how you sleep in a room that's that cold, because I'm going to do that tonight and I need a little lesson.
You have to wear one layer of thermos, a hat, shoes to walk out to your room with, of course, and also you will borrow a sleeping bag from the riverside lobby that can take almost minus 20 degrees, and it's almost only minus 5 in the room.
It's only minus 5? It felt colder.
Yeah, it's only minus 5.
Because yesterday I came out of the room and I warmed up outside, which was really weird.
Yeah, I often, when it's minus 30 degrees outside in the winter season, I always go inside to warm up instead.
This hotel is entirely run on sustainable energy. That surprised me. So you guys get all of your energy from, I think, wind, bio, and what else?
We have solar panels on the ice production's roof that take care of the sun energy because we have midnight sun up here and we want to take care of the energy that we can get from it.
So you can even get solar up here?
Yeah.
That's amazing. I think there's so many people in the world who think you can only get solar in certain parts of the earth. But I mean, we're up at the 67th latitude and you can still get solar power. Now, a lot of people come up here to do different things. So some people come up here to sleep in the hotel only, but some people want to see the northern lights, which we lucked out last night and we saw. How often can you see the northern lights?
As long as it's dark, that's possible to see it. Dark and also a clear sky. So on the Torney River, it's a very perfect spot to see the northern light because it's a very dark area.
I was also surprised that there's so many other things you can do up here. Like we just got back from dog sledding, which was the most amazing experience. You go out into the woods along the river, you stop and have hot cocoa or coffee and cake, and it's just amazing. How many of your guests take advantage of that?
Oh, it's many. I haven't counted them, but they are many, yeah.
What other excursions do people do in the area?
Snowmobile, huskies, and also hiking. Even though it's snow outside, you can have snowshoes to walk in, and also skiing, of course.
What's your favorite time of year for visitors to come to the Ice Hotel?
My favorite season is actually March, because then the sun starts to come out again after a polar night. So I really like the March.
Yeah, I'm liking this warm, sunny day. This is really great. Thank you for having this awesome weather for us because it's sunny and clear skies, and the Northern Lights was perfect last night. I have never seen the Northern Lights, and my brain just exploded when I saw that. Does it still excite you to see that?
Not as much as it did the first time, of course, but when you see an incredible Northern Light, of course you need to see it again. So we are actually the first in the world to make an ice hotel. Of course there are other places, but we are the first.
And so you get your ice right here from the river, and then every spring and summer it melts and goes back to the river. It's completely sustainable.
Yeah.
That's really, really cool. Thank you so much for taking the time to talk to me today. Now you know.
All right, so we're about to walk in.
Yeah.
It's pretty cold out here.
Yeah, but I think it's gonna get colder in there.
So let's find out. We might need to run. We're at the end of the hall, right?
Yeah.
And we're up some stairs.
Oh yeah, I forgot the stairs.
Already cold.
But we practiced the stairs earlier.
Yeah. Oh crap. I did. Oh well, looks like I'm not going to the bathroom tonight.
Time for sleep. Good night, everybody. Now you know.